In the last tutorial, I showed you how to get to NKU's VPN. In this one, I'll be showing you how to connect your web drive to your VPN. So the very first thing we're going to do is start up our VPN because you haven't now. So we're going to type in to your search bar Cisco, which is going to bring up the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client up there. You'll hit enter and bring it up. So you click connect to vpn2.nku.edu, which is your normal one. You type connect, or you hit connect, and then it'll attempt to connect. After a few seconds, it should fail and allow you to type in your username and password. Note that these are the same NKU username and password that you used to VPN in and install this the first time. So make sure you're under the group SSL_users and not anything else that you might have. So my username and password will be put in here. And after a few seconds, it'll establish a connection. While we're waiting on that, we're going to end up Googling NKU.edu or NKU VPN again. And by the way, it did connect. You can verify this through the lock and check mark. You can also tell by this clock down here, which tells you how long it's been up. So we're going to go back to the NKU VPN page that we did from last time and click on the Windows one because we're not doing it on Mac. So this will show you the actual path to your web directory and network drive. So these are the ones right here that you have to pay attention to because we're students. If you're a faculty or staff and you're watching this, then you pay attention to the top bit. I'll leave a link to this page in the description. So what you want to do is click on Start, right-click on Computer, and click on Map Network Drive, which will bring this up. Choose a letter that you're not usually using, so not the C drive, but any other drive. And then you go to this, and we're going to do our web directory. So we're going to literally type in //studenthome.nku.edu/username, which is your name. So there you go. There's your last name, first initial, and then number. Mine is 2 because I got stuck in a summer camp. So we're going to click on reconnect when logging on, or connect with different credentials if you want to. If you're using it other than the way we're using it. So we're going to click that, and it's going to fail because you need to connect with different credentials. So it's going to bring this up, and you need to make sure that you're on NKU in caps /chefchicks2 in my case. So you can use another account and type in, and I'm just going to do this so you guys can see it. So domain NKU, and then your username and password. And you can tell it to remember your credentials if you'd like. So now it'll try to connect. Here you are. And this is actually you viewing your web portfolio. Now there's a private folder and a www folder. The www folder is the one that you have to use in order to make anything work web related. So we're going to open that up, and here's all my website stuff. If it is not in this folder, you will not be able to watch or view it on a website. The private folder you will probably not end up using for the majority of your work. So in this folder you place your index, your different pages, all of your files, all of your media resources in my case. So I mean, it's gotten to the point where I've even got different images here. But that's how you take a basic connection using your VPN over your computer. If you're using a Mac, again, you just have to go back and click on the Mac option and follow similar directions that are right here. Anyway, this tutorial has shown you how to connect your VPN from your desktop. It has shown you how to connect your computer to your student home drive, which is now here. So we're going to double click that, and here you are, back where we had it. We're going to be able to view your files and update it in live time. please note that when updating web files to your web folder, that you should keep a local copy on your desktop or somewhere else. Otherwise, you might end up with a corrupted version on one and not be able to recover it because, well, it was deleted. You only had one copy. So make sure you have a backup of all your files. Anyway, that's all I've got for this tutorial. In the next one, we will discuss how to do more complicated things, such as getting your files to sync up with mobile web clients such as FileZilla.